There's a nice man washing our window. We've seen a group of reindeer. Give us the trip stats.
Right, so we've done a month from rolling off the tunnel. This is day one of month 2. So far, we've completed 3,136 miles. The average fuel consumption's 27.4 miles per gallon. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it is what it is.
It's less than before.
It's less than previous trips, but the driving conditions have been different, and I think the steep climbs and so on that we've done, and the roads where we have to almost stop and then start again, it just uses more gas. But it's still not bad carting at 3.5 tonne of miles. The average speed for all that time is only 35 miles an hour, so it's been a slow journey really, which has taken us so far just over 87 hours. So the whole thing on Google where you plot your route to Nordkapp and it says you can get there in 30 hours is a little bit false.
But we have had a detour onto Vestalen and Lofoten Islands.
Yeah,
so
I guess so, yeah.
Counteracts a bit of that.
It's still a significant amount of time sat in the cab driving and looking out of windows.
But all good.
All good. And it's now Arctic-y and sort of 2 degrees, 3 degrees, and you can see up on top of the mountains it's really snowy, and my dashboard intermittently is flashing warning ice on road and that kind of dramatic stuff.
There comes a time
And it's snowing.
That's like literally 2 minutes after saying it's become a little bit more Arctic and not that dramatic. It's 2 degrees, and now yeah, it's snowing.
I see the light and know that I could never do this alone. Ooh, I'm holding on to you, holding on to you now, 'cause everything I know tells me this is true. I can't do this alone. There comes a fight in every life that we don't have the strength to lose. So lay down my pride. I find that I could never own the truth alone. I'm holding on to you.
So that was the first of the things to see on the tourist route, Berg's Bottom. I think that's how it's pronounced.
Bird's Bottom.
Yes, so we've got to go all the way down there now.
I can't do this alone.
Crikey, this is even narrower than the last one.
I am giving up. I am giving up all my love.
Please don't fall. Oh, please don't fall. Oh, it's bumpy. That's our home for the night. The beach at the end of the fjord there. at Isfjord.
Shag, just down there up left.
Are you sure that's one of those? It was a cormorant, not one of those.
Well, you can only hope.
This was our park up last night in Senja. We're about halfway around the island. It is absolutely freezing. We are surrounded by snow-capped mountains. It's beautiful, but it's a bit cold and wild, and last night was horrific. So this is the uniquely designed toilet block. Now we do like looking at these toilets along the way. So we like the gender neutral toilets. And they're all just a bit different. This is really warm. Oh, we should have sat in here last night. It's roasting. And over there is the beach. Just taking Buddy for his morning walk, although it is minging cold, before we set off to Tromso. Oh, it's just starting to snow, I think, as well.
It is, it's fleeing, it's really cold. I've upgraded my jacket, I've gone ski jacket. That's phase 2. Phase 3 is I'll be wearing both jackets, so we're way off that yet, but it's freezing and cold. It's what you'd expect where we are.
And that's a beautiful beach, but I'm afraid that's it now for videography. My hands are freezing, I'm not willing to sacrifice any more for the sake of YouTube. It's very snowy. Back to the warmth.
Don't always do what I should. I'd be better if I thought I could. I'm a sucker for adrenaline. Every villain is. Everybody trying to change my ways, but I live just to see you break. I'm a sucker for adrenaline. Every villain is.
This is as heavy as snow now, although it doesn't look to be sticking. But the temperature's dropped as well, it's freezing, so a bit longer, I don't know, we might get some ice on road, I don't know, but it looks dramatic, but it's actually not so bad because the road's staying clear, so, but who knows, another half hour it could all be sticking and look very arctic.
2 minutes later, it looks completely different. And it's proper sticking now.
Proper sticky.
I live like a villain lives. I come alive when I lose control. Everyone lies just to ease their soul. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. Feels good to be, feels good to be, feels good to be a little bit bad. A little bit bad. Baby, we're all monsters, just afraid to show our colors.
Somebody's ready for the Arctic.
I did a very silly thing last night. I cut my hair
Yay, baby
and I had a
face.
shave. In order to generate more subscribers, I've decided I'm going to be the eye candy. So I've got that smooth as a Arctic mink look going on.
It's very nice. Not so sure about the eye candy though,
But now I'm freezing all the time.
just for a change. So we are at Tromso.
Tromso.
Tromso. We've decided to pronounce
Tromso.
it. We've always pronounced it Tromso.
It was Tromso last night anyway in there.
Rude. There is the mountain we're going to go up later, maybe tomorrow in the cable car, and we're now off to explore the city. Paul and Steve have been up and gone already, so we've had our lunch and we are now sloping into the city. A little bit late.
lazier start to the day.
Theme is going troll shopping. She's resisted the urge this long, and now the lure of trolls is too much.
Pints? I think so.
I don't wanna feel this way again. I wonder if this shame will ever end. I fade myself through.
You're a monster.
See the truth, no you don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in the mood, I could be rotten. I could be cool, man like a fool, but never forgotten.
I always feel the cold, but this is quite cold, and I've drunk a lot of expensive cold beer, which makes me colder.
Feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of me. Yeah, I feel like a monster. Time finds a way to get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start. Life finds a way to bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began. To bring us back where it all began. Life is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hide away to rest and feel alive again. To rest and feel alive again. To rest and feel alive. Forget all the noise. We can just let it fade away.
We've seen a group of reindeer, a herd, and we're going back to find them.
We can just let it fade away. Life is beautiful,
Good morning. It's very exciting for us because we spent the night, it sounds really shady actually, but we spent the night on this car park. Brilliant night's sleep. We had a fire pit going, took wood, already fallen trees of course, from the forest, chopped them up, made a brilliant fire, cooked sausages, did all the camping things that you would expect to do.
Have you got your tools ready?
Should get all his tools out.
No, really?
Oh yeah. He's got his tools on his shoulder. Ready?
Oh shit.
Okay, you're done. So tonight we are going to see the aurora.
It's a very cold night.
What's the sweep, Andrew?
Pauline's got 9:30.
Yep.
Steve's got 10:30. You've got 11 o'clock, and I predict no aurora.
With your usual glass half empty.
Optimism.
Ever the optimist.
So we're now off to the next part of our trip, which is the last haul up to Nordkapp. We are 339 miles away.
The last hole to Nordkapp.
The last haul, as in H-A-U-L,
Ah, right.
not your haul.
Rude.
So our challenges are...
Well, it's 339 miles to Nordkapp, so we're pretty far up now. So our challenges are A, surviving the extreme temperature, because it's been cold.
It was -9 last night, which has been the coldest we've been so far.
Yeah. Although it's not so bad now this morning, because I'm not got my coat on.
It's freezing.
What's the other challenge?
The other challenge is gas, LPG. Because
Your gas is always a challenge.
once we get to Alta, that's our last chance to fill up with LPG until we get all the way around the north of Norway, through the north of Finland and back into Sweden, because there is no LPG in the rest of Norway and in Finland as an entire country.
Yeah, so we're looking at being more structured, aren't we? Maybe for the next few weeks. We'll probably have to use more campsites because the way the temperature's gone. So we've got we're going to be short of gas, but even more short of gas because we're going to use more gas. That was a lot of gas.
You always have a lot of gas. So we will see how we get on and see you at some point.
Whenever.
Yeah. No,
See.
scrap that bit.
Scrap that bit.
So we're off to Alta now to go and find. Well, no. So we're off to Alta now. We need an
We're not
overnight.
off to Alta.
No,
We're not off to Alta.
no. We're
What?
off to. We are off to Alta now, but with an overnight stop in between because it's too far to go in one jump. And
So we're not off to Alta then.
Yeah, we're on the way to Alta.
Okay.
And hopefully, fingers crossed, we've got another clear night tonight, so we may see the Northern Lights again.